Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can control the speed, how you can edit, increase or decrease the speed in the VN editor. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the VN editor. So I'm going to click on the VN. And after clicking on that, as you can see, you have to choose the project. For example, I'm going to click on the create new project. And now we have to click on the new project again, and we have to click on the save again. And as you can see now, simply we have to go to the video section, and then we have to choose the video, that which video we want to use. For example, I want to use this one. So now we have to click on this icon here. And after clicking on this, as you can see now the video is here, simply we have to go to the speed section. So I'm going to click on the speed section. And now we have to choose that which video you want, which speed you want. For example, I'm going to the regular section, and you can increase, for example, I want to make it doubles, and we have to go to the 2x. If you want to make it double, you have to go to the 3x again, 4x again. If you want to decrease it, you can also do that. And then you have to click on the right, and after clicking on the right, as you can see now the your speed is done. So in this way you can increase or decrease the speed of your video on the VN editor. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.